over the next 2 days, we will be going across Ethiopia and visiting two schools. One is Roots Ethiopia and the other one is Brave Hearts.
The reason why we are focusing on education is because we strongly believe it is the foundation of everything.
We will be distributing our aircrafted Emirates bags. These bags are made from materials from Emirates aircraft parts. So every bag that we have got has a part of history.
The future of the country are the kids.
Thank you for everything. This is very helpful.